Okay, hello, this is Miss Lena from Miss Lena's Kitchen, and this is on a Saturday evening, and I'm trying to do a video for you. And what I'll be doing this evening will be, I have chicken salad, okay? And these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So I'll be using onion powder, as usual, garlic powder. I have celery cut up, chopped up. And I have bell peppers and sweet bell peppers cut up. And I have apples cut up. And also, when I had 5 chicken legs and 5 chicken thighs because I didn't have the chicken breast. But when I cooked them in the keto bone broth and gave them a good flavor. And I'll be using a half a cup of Hellman mayonnaise, and I'll be using about 1/4 of a cup of sour cream to go in there, okay? And then I will be using chopped up eggs, okay, boiled eggs, and also chopped up onions. So I'm getting ready now to put in. These are my chopped up red onions, okay? So now they're going in, and I'll also be adding in so that you can see the chicken in here. I'm going to be adding my eggs also. Okay. So I'm going to be stirring it up just a little bit. Now I'll be pouring in my, just a little garlic powder, which should probably be about, probably a tablespoon. And probably a tablespoon of onion powder also. I'm not putting a lot in it because the seasoned keto really has the chicken already flavored out fairly well. Okay, so now I'll be putting in my Hellman mayonnaise, okay? And this is a half a cup. I may have to put a little bit more, but this is what I'm starting with right now. Okay. And I'm going to start stirring it up a little bit. And this is a Saturday afternoon. And I hope everybody's getting ready for the weekend, for the Sunday afternoon. But I had someone to come in, and I have a granddaughter that's coming in doing this taping for me. And I appreciate that because I didn't know if I'd really get anything up, not this weekend. Okay, so now I'm going to be putting in my celery. I have a half cup of celery. No, this is 1/4 cup, I'm sorry, of celery, which is 2 sticks, I'll say it like that. Okay, I'm adding my celery in. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, this is sour cream, and I'm going to be putting in about 1/4 cup of sour cream. And this is a half cup that I have here, but I won't be using it in the full amount. But I will be using about 1/4 cup. So I'm going to be putting that in. Okay. And I'm going to be stirring it up also. Now, I'm getting ready to put my bell peppers, a little bit of that in right now. Then I'll come back and then I'm going to stir this in right now. And after I get this stirred in, I'm going to put my apples in, okay? So, all right. And this is just 1 small apple chopped up. Just a red apple, okay. Put the camera a little closer so they can see it. Okay. Now I'm going to put the rest of the bell peppers in. All right. This is very delicious salad. If you now, I usually like to boil it with the chicken, make it with the chicken breast, but I didn't have a chicken breast, so I just put the leg thighs with the drumsticks together. But it's good, still gonna be all right. Okay. So now, let me get my white pepper. I need to put just a little bit of white pepper in. So hold on just a second. I'm gonna get some white pepper. All right, I'll be back in just a minute. I'm gonna put just a short bit of white pepper, which is the white pepper, okay. So you see, here's my white pepper. Okay. Just a little bit. Give it a little bit of flavor. And I also, now you don't have to use, I'm using 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, but you don't have to do it yourself. I'm only doing it because it helps the flavor, because I didn't have, I was going to put my yogurt in it, but I was out of the yogurt when I did get over here at the store to try to find out, and I was out of the yogurt. So you can use the Greek yogurt also if you do, or you can also use about 1/4 cup of yogurt. I usually like this plain yogurt or Greek yogurt, but I do love the Greek yogurt the best, to tell you the truth. And I was also, now I didn't put any salt in here, but you can put salt in if you would like. For the simple reason is that it was cooked in keto, and the keto has all seasoning in it, but it's not a fattening type seasoning either also. So now I'm getting ready to put it on the tray, on the platter, and I want you to see me to put it on. I'm putting it on the platter, okay? So. And I didn't put a lot of salad dressing, Miracle Whip in it either. So if you prefer to put more, you can. But I find out sometimes when you're using a lot, if you're not going to eat it right away, it has a tendency to turn to a little watery like. So that's why I didn't put very much in, because I don't know how long this will be here. So I just wanted to put enough in. So if you want some more, I can add some more too if you're still here, and if I have the kids or something, or whatever, I can add more to it, okay? So that's why I didn't add as much to it at the time. Okay, so now I'm getting it all in, and I'm gonna put my covers around it to show you how it's gonna look. Because it's really nice and it's really neat. So I'm getting ready to put it all around. Just a second here. I'm going to show you how to make a unique policy of it. Okay. I'm going to be putting lettuce around, cilantro, and also parsley. Okay. And I'm going to put the lettuce all around. I'm hoping I got enough out here to do it. Now, I call myself getting it ready, but I don't know if I'm going to have enough to go all around the tray, but I think I have. So, okay, I have parsley and cilantro, so I'll be adding it also around. This makes a nice a flavor making your tray real nice for the colors that it's going to be for the spring of the year and coming for the spring and holiday that will be coming up for just whatever you'd like to have it for. I'm just saying the spring break is on its way, so I thought this would be kind of unique for you to put around if you have maybe guests coming up for spring break, or your children will be doing it for their spring break. So I wanted just to make it really simple looking, but I wanted to make it look unique also. So this is why I am doing this with it, okay? So I will be adding just a little bit more around in order to keep the, let me see, keep the color here. I'm trying to keep the color blended in as well. Okay, so I'll put one here, one there. Okay, so now I'll be adding just a little bit of parsley flavor on top to give it a real unique flavor look, okay? All right, now, and I'm gonna get this out of my way, and I'm gonna let my camera lady taste it for me, whoever. Okay, let me move this so I can get a little bowl here to put it over there. Okay. Okay, hold just a minute. I'm going to get a little bowl or something she can taste it with. Get a picture of it. Before I put the, let me move the bowls. Get a good picture. Just the platter. You didn't get this stuff, right?
Yeah.
Just the platter. None of this stuff. Okay. 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 We're gonna taste it and let her see how she likes it, okay?
Good.
Okay.
That's real good.
Okay. So I'm going to do just a little bit. I've got a lot of tasting to do, so I didn't really want to taste a lot tonight. Okay. So I'm tasting a very little bit, so, which I know it's good. I've tried it before, but I tried it with chicken breast also.
Mm-hmm.
Like I say, you can add salad. You can add a little bit more salad dressing to it if you like, or mayonnaise, and just whatever else you would like to add to it for your seasoning. You can. But this is just an example of a very good chicken. But like I said, I really like it when it's in white meat. But this is good also. So I hope you all will like this chicken salad. So this is from Miss Lena's Kitchen. But to all of my subscribers and everybody, please try. You all asked me for a salad. So I hope this will be a unique salad that you will be able to eat, to use for your holidays or whatever is coming up. And right now, I thank you so much for Miss Lena's Kitchen on a Saturday afternoon. So this is one of my salads that I will be making, that I will be using, and I hope you all will be able to use it. I thank you so much, and I love all of you, and I like all of the new ones, all my new subscribers and the new viewers. Please join Miss Lena's channel. I would love to have you as a viewer, and also as a part of my family, and I thank you so much. And I love to all for Miss Lena's Kitchen with love. May God bless you. Good night.